Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 11 and 12 of class 6 subject GK. Here chapter number 11 it is landforms. In this chapter we are going to learn about the types of landforms on the surface of earth, and these are some landforms. You have to identify these landforms against their given description in the blanks. Use the hint box and you have to answer these questions. Now, did you know it is geomorphology is the scientific study of investigations how landforms are formed on the earth and the other planets. Now, there are many different types of landforms on the surface of earth. Here are few landforms for you to identify. Write the names of the different landforms against their given descriptions and the blanks use hint box. Okay, now first one, a huge mass of ice that flows slowly over lands. So children, the answer is glacier. You have to write Glacier, glacier. Okay, second one, a deep valley with very steep sides formed by the flow of river in a dry area. It is Rift Valley. So write the spelling RIFT, Rift, VALLEY, valley. Okay, a long and narrow lowland area with steep sides formed by the faults in the earth's crust. It is canyon. So write CANYON, canyon. Fourth one, a hollow or surface depression of the earth bounded by hills or mountains. It is valley. So write VALLEY, valley. Next it is fifth one, a narrow strip of land connecting two larger land masses with water on two sides. So what is it? It is isthmus. So write ISTHMUS, isthmus. Now sixth one, coastal wetland rich in marine life. It is salt marshes. So write SALT, salt, MARSHES, marshes. A crest of rocks or sand, often of coral, remains just above or below the surface of the sea water. It is reef. REEF, reef. A large area of high and flat land separated from surrounding land by steep slopes. It is plateaus. So write PLATEAU, plateau. Okay children. Ninth one, a landform that is formed at the mouth of a river where that river flows into an ocean or a sea. It is delta. DELTA, delta. A group or chain of islands clustered together in a sea or ocean. It is archipelago. So write ARCHIPELAGO, archipelago. So children, coming to the next page, page number 17. Here we are going to read about the coldest continents. Chapter 12, the coldest continents. Now here are these are the facts which we are going to read, and these are the facts about some continents. Okay. Antarctica. Which continent? Antarctica is the earth's southernmost continent. It is in which part of the earth? It is in the southernmost part of the earth. It is situated in the Antarctic region of the southern hemisphere. Where it is situated? It is situated in the Antarctic region of southern hemisphere and is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. And by which ocean it is surrounded? It is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It is the fifth largest continent in area. Now, at which number it comes? It comes at the fifth largest continent in area. It is the fifth largest continent in area. It is nearly twice the size of the Australia. So its size is twice the size of the Australia. Read some facts about Antarctica. Geography. Antarctica covers more than 14 lakh kilometers of area. The coastline measures 17,968 kilometers. About 98% of Antarctica is covered by a sheet of ice averaging at least 1.6 kilometers thick. It has about 90% of the world's ice. If all of these ice were melted, sea level would rise up about 60 meters. Located on Rose Island, Mount Erebus is the world's southernmost active volcano. Vision Massif, the highest peak in Antarctica, is located in the Ellsworth Mountains. Climate. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. The coldest natural temperature ever recorded on Earth was minus 89.2 degrees Celsius at the Russian Vostok Stadium in Antarctica on 21 July 1983. The temperature reaches a maximum of between minus 80 degrees Celsius and minus 90 degrees Celsius in winter and reaches a maximum of between 5 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius in summer. As shown in the picture on the right, the blue ice covering Lake Frivelex in the Transantarctic Mountains comes from glacial melt water from the Canada Glacier. The blue ice covering Lake Frivelex. Okay, this is the picture. Now it is Mount Erebus, and now we are going to read about the people. Antarctica has no permanent residents. Its people mainly consist of scientists, researchers, and some tourists. They mainly carry out various experiments and research work to make this continent a better and safer place to live in. Did you know the first child born in the southern polar region was Norwen Gilsovgen Gumborg Jacobsen? She was born in Gretviken on 8 October 1913. So children, we have just read about chapter number 11 and 12 in GK. Now you have to do the chapter 11 in your textbook and you have to read chapter number 12 on page number 17. Thank you.